Hi guys, it's Jake here, and today I will be telling you about least common multiple, like 50. 50 is like 10 and 5 can go into 50 because 10 times 5 is 50. And then break down the 10 is 5 times 2 equals 10. And then break down the 5, but you can't break down the 5 because it just equals 5 because 5 is a prime number. And then now I'm going to do 10. So you break down 10 because 5 times 2 equals 10. But you would normally bring it over to this side right here. But you've already got 5 times 2 on this side. So you just cross it out there. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe.